Hi friends, welcome to Chikash Adventures. So tomorrow we are going on a short trip, a beach trip actually. So where we are going and what we are going to do and whom we are going with. This is the first time we'll be traveling with our friends and with Chikash's friend also. So who is that and all that we are going to reveal tomorrow. So tomorrow, as in you'll be able to see stories on our Instagram feed. So do follow us there on Instagram. The ID is Chikash Adventures because whatever we'll be shooting for tomorrow, the places, video, and everything, we'll be editing after we come back, and then you'll be able to see after that. So we are quite excited. It is going to be a short trip, just a 2-3 day trip, but then we are quite excited because it's been so long we've gone out. And so we what do we usually pack when we go out? So just to make it stress free and just to keep it simple, we have made a list, and that is what we just keep checking every time whether all that is in the bag or not. So every time, we don't forget the basic necessary things like collar, leash, and extra pair of leashes or medicine box and stuff like that. So since all that is necessary, this is quite helpful. So I will put on the list here what all we carry, and depending on the place, like since we are going to a beach, so obviously the stuff will change a little bit. If you are traveling in the mountains or in the snow, obviously then the stuff will change. But this is what basic thing it is, and that is a list we carry. So I will just show you around what all we have here. Of course, the girls list is much better. The girls side is much better than what we have. That is our side. We just have clothes and essentials. And for the girls, of course, we have couple of rough bed sheets, extra pair of collar. This is our GoPro harness, extra pair of leash also, and this is their food bowl, this is their water travel bowl. We are carrying rice, and we are carrying fresh bhakris tomorrow morning, since where we are going there'll be kitchen. So we'll and we want to keep the diet light, so maybe we'll try mixing it with vegetables and locally sourced chicken or eggs or dahi or something like that, because we want to keep it light. They'll go swimming and they'll have a lot of water also, because we are traveling to beach, obviously we are going to get fresh fish there, so we are looking forward cooking that and giving it to the girls. So we're carrying rice, and we'll cook bhakris tomorrow morning and carry it along with. This is the medicine box. The basic stuff that we carry is girls don't have car sickness, but we always carry that. And medicine for loose motions, medicine for vomiting, medicine for gas, and any allergy, acidity, and of course band-aid, soframycin, and this is an antibiotic treatment, cotton. This I already told you. This is betadine, just in case if there is any wound or anything. Hydrogen peroxide, if they induce anything poisonous or toxic, then just to if they intake anything toxic, then just to induce vomiting. And a hot water bag and thermometer. So this is the basic stuff that we carry. We have their vaccination records and everything in our mobile phones, all their records. These are food mats. So we keep the bowls on this, food and water bowls, so that we don't soil the area that we are in. And some newspapers, treats, toys, and this is a water toy which you must have seen in lots of videos. It is Chika's favorite. And we are carrying a long rope. This also is not needed, but just in case of emergency, we keep it. And poop bags, and their grooming stuff, their brush, their comb, and we are carrying paw balm. So this is essential because they'll be sand, they'll be running on the sand and all. So just in case of cracked paws, We might need this. We have some poly bags, and this is a blanket come towel and a towel, of course. So that is the list we have here. Um extra tomorrow they'll have collar and leashes on, and I'll put on the list, and we are quite excited, so hope you all are too. So stay tuned for our trip video.